Greetings and welcome to my new calculus channel. My name is John Gabriel. So this is going to be a musings video, not just a few minutes long, but anyway, in a previous musings video, I talked about an unpleasant and stressful experience in Port Angeles, where I was volunteering to help out math students, and would you believe it, the stupid teachers wouldn't send them to me. So anyway, I ended up leaving because I couldn't get along with the morons who work there. The whole math department is complete with morons. Now, in this episode, in this video, I'd like to discuss an email that was sent to me. And of course, I've blacked out the last name because I don't want to put this person at risk of being attacked or libeled by the mainstream, the jealous and ignorant and stupid mainstream mathematics lecturers and teachers. So let me read this email to you. And by the way, I've had a few emails like this, but this one has been quite, it has summarized things pretty good. This guy knows how to write. He knew calculus. He was able to use all the methods, and he had no problem in general. But this is what he says. Thanks for the access and the radical shift in my understanding. That's important. Dear Mr. Gabriel, I hope this message finds you in fine form, possibly crafting yet another takedown of mainstream mathematical nonsense, a phrase I now hear in your voice. I wanted to extend my gratitude for granting me access to your files and applets on the new calculus. And by the way, I grant anybody access to those files who requests it. It's just a feature of Google. It's been an exhilarating journey of discovery, and I must admit you've succeeded in doing something I wasn't expecting, radically shifting my understanding of calculus. The connections you've drawn are truly great. The theory of number and the use of the mean value theorem is nothing short of revolutionary. Okay, nothing like what I've been telling you has ever been printed anywhere or published. I'm the first to discover it and to reveal it. It's as though somebody pulled back a curtain I suspected was there, but place. Okay. These discoveries have shown me what calculus should have looked like all along. Your materials, presented with that unmistakable rhetorical flair, have not only clarified concepts I thought weren't cogent at all, but have also exposed the elegant simplicity hiding beneath centuries of unnecessary complexity. Working through the applets, I find myself both laughing and nodding at the irreverent wit embedded in your explanations. Always a sharp jab at the irrational absurdities of traditional mathematics, but followed by insights unmistakably profound, which I had to pause and let sink in. That's what a lot of you morons need to do. So this guy here doesn't have an inferiority complex. He's not insecure. He didn't take my word for it, for anything I said. He did exactly what he should have done, which was to uh, examine my work and see whether the things I tell you are true. That's what you need to do, you moronic mainstream mathematics professors and teachers. You're idiots. You need to sit up straight, pay attention to detail, and take a good slap from me so you can wake up from your stupid arrogance. It's been a joy to learn from them, and I find myself looking at calculus in an entirely new light, unburdened by the baggage of limits and infinite processes. So, of course, there isn't an infinite process, and limits are circular, but he learned how to use them anyway. Thank you for sharing these invaluable resources and for challenging me to think differently. Your work is both a breath of fresh air and a gale force wind that has rearranged how I view mathematics. I look forward to continuing this journey of discovery, armed with the tools and insights you've so generously shared, with much appreciation and a healthy dose of respect for your style. So that's the kind of email that I should be getting a lot of, but because there aren't many people who have this level of intelligence or this level of wisdom. The majority of you are absolute morons, and I mean with a capital M, you're morons. So and the people who I'm addressing here specifically are people like Terence Stow, Professor Jack Hazinger, Professor Gilbert Strang, and all those fucking morons of the mainstream, okay? You need to sit up straight and listen to what I'm telling you, because I know better than you fucking morons. And you need to get these things straight, because you haven't understood calculus. You don't even know what number is. Okay, so as you see, he even got to the crux of the matter. He says the theory of number and the use of the mean value theorem is nothing short of revolutionary. Of course, it's nothing short of revolutionary. It's how it explains why all those things work. Okay, so you don't really have a lot of theorems about prime numbers and calculus theorems, which are based on the crap of topology. It's all based on well-formed concepts, geometric in nature. Okay, so to this person, thank you again for sending me this email. And I hope that others can learn from what you did in order to improve their intelligence, to improve their understanding, and to get to a point where they can, if they are educators, to teach others better. If you're not already a subscriber, become one. Click like, follow me on academia.edu, and also join my members-only channel. For $4.99 a month, you can get access to a lot more than just my applets and articles file. A lot more goes on there, okay? So that's pretty much it. Till next time, goodbye.